Scalar light is the fundamental force in nature transmitted by the sun of our solar system, as well as the stars throughout the universe. Scalar light pervades the universe and is responsible for providing the divine intelligence to assemble matter, thus providing the atomic and molecular structure for all physical forms. The DNA molecule is a physical form that is assembled and maintained by scalar light. Specifically, scalar light serves as the informational input, the divine intelligence, that is responsible for creating and maintaining the DNA of all species of life. Antoine Priore invented a scalar light plasma tube that was able to cure various types of cancer and tumors by correcting the mutations of the DNA. The genetic information of the DNA molecule is composed of the linear sequence of the four bases of nucleic acid: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Cancer results when there are genetic mutations or changes in the sequence of these bases, either through the substitution of one base pair for another or through the addition or deletion of one or many base pairs. Succinctly, cancer is the result of the substitution, addition, or deletion of a base pair in the DNA molecule. The substitution, deletion, or addition of a base pair resulting in cancer can be corrected by way of the Priore Scalar Light plasma tube. In practice, the administration of scalar light of sufficient strength will reprogram DNA back to its original perfect state, thereby correcting any mutation and subsequently curing any type of cancer or tumor. Scalar light serves as the divine intelligence that is able to correct the substitution, addition, or deletion of any base pair in the DNA molecule. Scalar light is all-encompassing healing from God. Scalar light in composition is a double helix, phi spiral in which the length is 1.618, greater than its width for each full cycle of its double helix spiral. The phi paradigm that is embodied within the scalar light wave is the value of the irrational number, 1.618, which embodies perfect and perpetual instructions. An irrational number entails a perfect and perpetual design on account of the fact that its decimal representation has no end and no repeating pattern. This fact demonstrates that the phi number represents perfect and perpetual creation, the creative strength of God. The paradigm of phi embedded within the scalar light wave is a sign of divine intelligence. Correspondingly, the DNA molecule is likewise a double helix, phi spiral in which the length is 1.618, greater than its width for each full cycle of its double helix spiral. Hence, the configuration of a scalar light wave and the DNA molecule are both double helix, phi spirals that are identical in ratio and proportion. Thus, scalar light carries divine intelligence that is imparted upon the DNA molecule. Hence, scalar light is the cause of DNA as this primal force programs the genetic code for all species of life. Likewise, the paradigm of phi embedded within the DNA molecule is a sign of divine intelligence. Antoine Priore was an electrical engineer who invented a powerful scalar light plasma tube in the 1950s. Priore successfully treated cancer and tumors by way of this powerful plasma tube that created a local, scalar light environment capable of correcting the substitution, addition, or deletion of base pairs in the DNA molecule. As a result, both people and animals were cured of various types of cancers as well as tumors when placed beneath the plasma tube designed by Priore. In function, the divine intelligence imparted by way of the Priore plasma tube served to cure both human and animal cancers and tumors, including some types of leukemia. Antoine Priore's scalar light plasma tube was effective in curing cancer on account of the fact that DNA is created and programmed by scalar light and can be subsequently reprogrammed by way of scalar light back to its original, perfect state. The Priore scalar light plasma tube reprogrammed the DNA molecule with divine intelligence, thereby repairing base pair mutations. Antoine Priore, with the high-powered scalar light plasma tube that cured people and animals of cancers and tumors. Scalar light is able to correct base pair mutations by imparting divine intelligence. Cancer is an informational disease in which a gene is mutated, resulting in the uncontrolled proliferation of cells. The Priore scalar light plasma tube demonstrated the ability of the superior power of a scalar light wave to impart its double helix, phi spiral divine intelligence upon the DNA molecule. Therefore, scalar light can be utilized to reprogram the genetic code of the human DNA molecule, thereby correcting the substitution, addition, or deletion of base pairs. Consequently, the action of the Priore Scalar Light plasma tube proved to be the cure for cancer and tumors by way of the divine intelligence embodied within the scalar light wave. Anyone can experience Scalar Light for free on our unique 30-day free trial. There is no credit or debit card required. Simply register at experiencescalar.com or follow the link in the description below. Our unique 30-day free standard scalar program includes the pathogenic cleanse, nutrient therapy, and chakra balancing. May God grant you excellent health. Thank you.